Hello students, I am Ms. Misra, math teacher of ALPM Public School, Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today I am going to explain most interesting topic. Topic is rational number. But today I will explain first of all natural number, because importance of natural number in rational number is very important. So what is natural number? Natural number, all counting numbers are called natural number, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. This is called natural number. Now I'll explain what is whole number, because whole number is useful in a rational number. So what is whole number? If you add 0 in this number, then we get whole number. Whole number, this is whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on is called whole number. Difference between whole number and natural number is only 0. In the whole number 0 is included, but in natural number 0 is not included. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I will explain what is integer. What is integer? Integers. All whole numbers and negative of counting numbers is called integers. Like this: -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the whole number, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 is the negative of natural number. Here your natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on is the negative of natural number. So we can say that all whole numbers and negative of natural number is the integers. Now I'll explain the main topic. Topic is rational number. What is rational number? What is rational number? Rational number, a number which can be expressed in the form P upon Q. A number which can be expressed in the form P by Q is called rational number, but condition is P and Q are integers and Q not is equal to 0. So P upon Q is a rational number. Here a rational number in the form P by Q are any number. A number which can be expressed in the form P by Q are any rational number which can be expressed in the form P by Q is called rational number. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you, that this is the rational number. So here P and Q are integers and Q not is equal to 0. So all natural number and all whole numbers and all counting numbers and all integers are the rational number. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I'll here P and Q. P is called numerator and Q is called denominator. So I hope this is clear to you what is that rational number. Now I'll explain the positive rational number and negative rational number. What is positive rational number and negative rational number? If numerator and denominator of any rational number is same sign, then it is called positive rational number. Suppose this is 1 by 2. Here positive of 1, here 1 is positive and 2 is also positive. So this is called 1 by 2 is the positive rational number. Now here minus 3 upon minus 4. Here 3 is negative and minus 4 is also negative. So 3 upon 4 is the positive rational number. Now if numerator and denominator opposite sign, suppose this is the minus 4 upon 5. Here 4 is negative sign but 5 is positive sign. So minus 4 upon 5 is the negative rational number. Now if 2 upon minus 3, here 2 is positive but 3 is negative. So 2 upon minus 3 is the negative rational number. Now I hope that this is clear to you, that what is natural number, what is whole number, what is integer and what is rational number. Now I will explain standard form of rational number. What is standard form of rational number? Standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number. So dear student, I will explain that what is standard form of rational number. How I will find the standard form of rational number? Dear student, first of all, what is standard form of rational number? If a CF of, suppose this is the 2 upon 3, if a CF of 2 and 3 is 1, if a CF of 2 and 3, then I will say that this rational number 2 upon 3 is the standard form. But if the HCF of numerator and denominator, here 2 and 3, if the HCF of numerator and denominator is another number, then it is not the standard form. How I will find out the standard form of this number? For this, I will find out HCF of numerator and denominator and divide numerator and denominator by the HCF. We get the standard form of the rational number. Suppose this is 4 upon 8. This is the 4 upon 8 is a number, but this is not, it is not standard form, because the HCF of 4 and 8 is 1. Here HCF 4 and 8 is 4, so 4 upon 8 is not standard form of rational number. Now, how I will find out the standard form of 4 upon 8? Then I will divide 4 and 8, that is numerator and denominator, by the HCF of 4 and 8. HCF of 4 and 8 is 4, so I will divide 4 and 8 by 4, then we get the standard form of the 4 upon 8. So I will divide 4 by 4, we get 1, and 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4 we get 2, so 1 by 2. We get 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is the standard form of rational number, because HCF of 1 and 2 is 1, so 1 by 2 is standard form of the rational number. Now, dear students, I will explain that 0 is a rational number or not. 0 is a rational number or not. So, I will explain 0. I will write 0 as 0 by 1 or 0 by any other number. So, 0 is the rational number because it is the form of rational number. Here, numerator is 0, but denominator is 1, which is not 0. So, 0 is the rational number. Now, I will explain equivalent rational number. How I will find out equivalent rational number? What is equivalent rational number? Suppose we have to find out equivalent form of 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a rational number. So I will multiply any natural number except 1. We get the equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. So if we want to find out one equivalent form of 2 by 3, then I will multiply 2 with numerator and denominator. 2 multiply 2 and 3 multiply 2, we get 4 by 9, and 4 by 9 is the equivalent form of 2 by 3. Because if you divide 4 by, here I get 2, then 4 by 6. So if you divide 4 and 6 by 2, 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 6, we will get 2 by 3. So 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. So I hope that this is clear to you. Now next video I will explain what is addition and multiplication of rational number. Thank you so much.